Day 14. We are close to South Georgia, but we cannot stay another day because a big storm is coming, and we are going to South Orkney Island. From South Georgia to South Orkney Islands is going to take 1.5 days. It is going to be a lazy day for us. We're going to have 2 lectures in the morning and 2 in the afternoon. The fat from penguins were used as lubricants for engines, but not nowadays anymore. Penguins are poor, silly things because when men use a club to kill them, they refuse to run away. They kill so many penguins, some species are extincted. In 30 years, they killed 3 million penguins, meaning they kill 274 penguins a day. The cook on board the ship, Endurance, is preparing a penguin for a meal. Penguins are lovely, so they always appear in advertising. Adelaide penguin and panda are adorable animals. Both are black and white. A gentleman in tuxedo is as elegant as a penguin. These are the men on the ship Endurance, exploring the Antarctica in 1914 under the leadership of Shackleton. Race to the End of the World is a book published in 2014 on the adventure of Queen's brothers on polar exploration. The Red Tent is a movie filmed in 1971 about an Italian expedition flying to Antarctica by an airship, but ended in disaster. During the whaling era, cows, cats and dogs, horses, pigs, and rabbits were carried into the Antarctica. In 1911, Norway brought reindeer to South Georgia for their meat. These plants provide home to many animals and protect seals and molting penguins. But the reindeer ate all the taxa grasses, sedges and lichens, and destroyed the habitat for seals, penguins, and birds. So in 2014, all reindeers in Antarctica had been killed, and now no more. Rats in South Georgia ate pipits, pintail, and petrel. In 2011, large-scale rat elimination began. In 2015, Phase 3, 3 helicopters dropped 95 tons of bait to kill the rats. In a 2017 survey, 60 members, 3 dogs and 2 women, walking 1,600 kilometers searching for signs of rodents. South Georgia is declared free of rodents in 2018. The crew member announced relaxation of COVID measures because looking back from day 0 to day 12, out of 130 passengers, 177 crew members, in 12 days we only have 2 positive cases. That means we are free to mix with other shipmates in the dining room. My little camera was damaged by the seawater 2 days ago, and I went to the kitchen to get some rice as the drying agent. After 10 days, it still didn't work for me, so I have to send it to repair. The cost turned out to be $290. Shipmate Enzo Blonde is another victim of water damage. Carol is a doctor specialized in gastrointestinal disorder. Seawater splashing into the Zodiac and damaged her iPhone and camera. So she ate rice to dry the camera and the iPhone. But 1 grain of rice gets stuck into the charging port of her phone. Red Rocks, the expedition guide, is trying to find a tool to get the rice out. so I invited them to come to my room.
Okay. Yeah, I have a...
There it is. That yeah.
I use your USB here?
No.
It's not.
It is USB, but there's...
Yeah, this is...
You try it out. See whether there's power or not.
No, you need...
It's not very powerful.
I can run down to my room and get my connector.
Yeah.
Get mine if you want.
You can use this one if you like.
Oh, that's USB-C, yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Ta-da, that's what I've got, yeah. And the answer is...
It's charging.
Oh, it's charging!
Okay.
Oh, God!
That's
Thank
right.
Can you believe it?
Oh, my God, thank you!
And I have something for you too. So.
Oh, my God, you're wonderful.
For your kindness.
What?
For your kindness, I have something for you too.
Okay.
So have your...
thank you. To two of you.
No.
Between the two of you.
Yeah, you have...
Where's my tool?
Your tool is right here somewhere.
Oh,
Yeah.
So this is very useful.
Oh my
very useful.
God! Yeah,
my
where
God.
did you get? Where'd you get it? Because that's a dental tool.
Yeah, you can order those.
I'm gonna get that.
Amazon,
for my
you
next,
can
I'm
buy
gonna
it.
take, that's a great idea.
You
I
have the
that.
iPhone? Because I have the video clip of the bridge for you.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
How do I get it?
11:30 until 11:45. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay.
How are you?
Hi, how are you? Good. We come here to relax, watch the landscape, have sips of wine, enjoy the conversation, play a game, read a book, or socialize at the bar.
Like a basket. Small boat. I know, I don't like cooking.
We are crossing a different time zone. We are going to adjust the clock this evening.